Your AI agent just cost you 47K in wasted tokens this month because it forgot everything the moment the session ended. Here's why and how to fix it. Okay, picture this. Your AI agent, most deployed today, are totally stateless. They forget user preferences, past interactions, operational context the second a session ends. Brilliant one moment, goldfish the next. Like Groundhog Day, but the AI never learns, and you're paying for it. This isn't model limits, it's an architectural choice we can fix. But why hasn't anyone explained the fix clearly? So users, forced to rebuild context, re-explain constraints, rediscover decisions every session. That's the amnesia tax. Injecting redundant context into prompts, direct token costs. You pay per token just to retell what you said. Companies with agentic workflows, 25% to 40% user satisfaction boost once memory layers hit. Personalization via persistent memory, baseline for production AI now, not luxury. But most teams think they've solved it. Spoiler, wrong. What are they using that's broken? Biggest myth? RAG is agent memory. Nope. RAG's stateless. Zero awareness of past chats, user ID, query history. Pulls docs at inference, forgets them post-session. Gemini 1.5 Pro? 1 million to 10 million token windows. Massive, sure, but doesn't kill memory needs. Stuffing them degrades performance, spikes latency. Helps one session only, no cross-session persistence. Like a bigger whiteboard with no camera. Erase. Poof. But darker issue with context stuffing nobody mentions. Stuffing context for fake memory? Security nightmare. Anthropic's April 2024 research, many-shot jailbreaking. Attackers overload Windows with hundreds of faux harmful dialogues, override safety training, forces illegal act instructions. Brute force context? Not capability, backdoor for bad guys. Cure worse than disease. So industry converged on 3-layer architecture. But what's it look like? Risks? Production agents need 3-tier memory. Layer 1, episodic, immutable, time-stamped experiences. Raw events, interactions, decisions, chat turns. Task diary. Answers, what database schema did we pick last week? Layer 2, semantic, mutable interpretations. Derived knowledge, user prefs, patterns. Evolves with understanding. Vector DBs for retrieval. Shared across sessions, users. Persists, grows. Layer 3, state procedural. Live state data for current conditions. Skills, rules, workflows for no-reason execution. Tutorials skip this. Without? Agent relearns ticket priorities every time. One layer only, like vector DBs. Fails production. Spins on stale context, no compounding smarts. But teams mess these up. Episodics what happened, semantics what learned. Procedurals how to act without thinking, like muscle memory. Skip procedural? Surgeon forgets scalpel grip daily. Absurd. Markets exploding 2026. Mem0, $24 million Series A. AWS exclusive for Agent SDK, 48K GitHub stars, 14 million PyPy downloads. Medium, March 13th. Letta, XMemGPT, $10 million, 21K stars, OS-style LLM self-manages memory. Zep Graffiti, Enterprise Temporal Graphs, 24K stars. Superbase, $200 million Series D, $2 billion Val, Postgres with PG Vector. Oracle AI Agent Memory SDK Python, GA 2026. Oracle blog, March 24th. Anthropic's free memory import tool, March 2nd, 2026, ports ChatGPT, Gemini memories to Claude, free tier. But Anthropic's no saint. Its user grab weaponizes memory portability. Pichai, March 2026. Privacy, lock-in risks, users control, export like email. Berman calls memory the next moat. Programmatic, dev code storage, safe. Agentic, LLM decides, Letta style, but models flake. 3 layers or fail. Episodic, what happened. Semantic,
learned. State procedural, now how? In 2026, Amnesia? Your architectural choice. Agents compound or break. In 2026,